Hello. In this video, we'll see how to buy Preplad and how to pursue unlimited mock tests through Preplad series by Hummingbird Education Limited. Now, you can go to olympiads.co.in and click on Preplad. Here, you will see the form, plus you can select your class to check what all packages are offered by Preplad. You may select any of the option from here. If you are already a registered user, then you can directly go to your account by clicking on login, enter your username and password, and click on sign in. Now, as you enter your account, you can go to Preplad. The Preplad packages which are meant for your class will appear over here. Since the purchase is already made, so that is why the courses are not showing here. So, after you make a purchase, you can just click on this particular link and the portal will open up. The username and password which you are using on Preplad are same as the username and password which you were issued in olympiads.co.in. So you can enter your username and password over here and click on login. When you click on login, you will see all your subjects available over here, and you can start getting unlimited mock tests by just clicking here on view. When you click on view, the page opens up over here with the practice test. Click over here, click on the quiz, and a quiz will start for you. You can click on start attempt. After clicking on start attempt, the questions will appear like this. So all the questions will come like this. You can directly jump to any other question also by clicking on the question from this particular table. Now, after you have attempted all the questions, you will get a detailed reply with the answers and the explanations of the same. So, similarly, you can enjoy unlimited mock tests for your preparation. I wish you all the best for all your future academic endeavors.